Today we're going to go for a camp and a fish up a nice little creek. Well, g'day and welcome to another episode of Naylor's Boomerang Adventures. I recently got back from a trip up a creek. I just did an overnighter and I caught a very interesting looking fish, and so I thought I'd like to show you my little adventure with that thing, and just the general camping experience and up a creek again and on the boat and that. So I had a lot of fun, and so stick around and enjoy the episode, and I'll see you at the end of it. Well, it's just on dusk now, and I've got the meal in the camp oven, and the cockies, as in sulphur-crested cockatoos, are all coming into roost for the night, and they make a heck of a racket. But it's a really beautiful time of the night, or time of the day, to be out and on the water. It's so still, there's not a breath of air, and it's really, it's just right. It's like paradise out here. But I haven't been able to get one bite yet. Fish aren't that keen on taking a lure for some reason. I think it's the wrong time of the month for the moon cycle. It's just on a full moon, and that's not the best time to get fish. Apparently, it's closer to the new moon, or on the new moon. But anyway, it's still a nice thing to do. And very rewarding, even without a meal. But you catch yourself, already caught the meal. Caught it about a week ago out in the paddock. But this will do for now. Right, just another weed fish. They don't taste very good. Always throw them back. Well, we're on the way back to the campsite, and I'm going to check to see how the meal's going. Didn't have a successful fish, but we're going to have a successful tea. So can easily see the campfire there. Should be getting close to done. It'll certainly be. It'll be well on the way. Well, it was not a bad night. It was it's about 7 o'clock now, and I bumped my finger yesterday and separated the skin from the nail, and it was throbbing and it was keeping me up for about an hour. Once I got over that, I had a good night's sleep. And the sun's not up yet, but it's, oh actually, it's just starting, so there's a beautiful colour in the sun. Not something you get to see much when you're waking up inside, so it's yeah, beautiful colour. The birds have just started to move because the sun's got up, so we should see some good sights over the next few minutes even. Yeah, one of the best times of the day. And I got the little billy can warming up there for a cup of tea, and have a drink, and then we'll head off in the boat and see if we can find a fish. Try our luck again. Okay, well I've just hooked up a reasonable sized fish. I'm not sure what it is yet. It could be a great big carp. In Australia nobody likes to eat carp. Well, nobody except people that weren't born in Australia. Oh yeah, he's a big carp. Oh yeah, really big carp actually. I'll bring him across the top. I had a shrimp just dangling under the surface using a float. Right, yep, we're a bit closer now. Okay. I'll pull us up. I'll actually use the fish to get us up. Closer. There he is. Come on, mate. Wrap yourself around that weed. Right, I've got him in there. Heavy. Gee, he's got enormous scales. He's quite pretty for a carp, actually. Right. Down. Yep. Oh wow, he's a nice looking fish. I've never caught one like this before. Still stinks like a carp though. He swallowed the hook well and truly. Now, by law I can't actually I can't let him back go because they're an introduced fish. They cause a lot of destruction in the waterways, so I'm going to knock him on the head. So apparently this is a mirror carp, I've just been told, and very good looking scales. They're huge scales. I'll knock it on the head and then chuck him back. Right. Well, that's it. That's the fish for the day, I think. A mirror carp. Beautiful big scales on them. The slimy beggars. Yeah, nice. I don't know what they weigh. It might be a 3 kilogram fish. Maybe, yeah, about that. 3 or 4 absolute max, but 3 I would guess. We're going to chuck him up on the bank because it's illegal to throw him back in the water because people are still paranoid they might still lay eggs and have young. I don't think that's the way it would work, but anyway. Gotta find somewhere to throw him up on the bank so a fox can eat it. thanks for watching once again, and I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, subscribe, and share and comment and whatever, just to keep the channel alive and keep it going. Just thought before we go I'd show you this tree here. This is I can't remember what they're called, but they're a gum tree, eucalypt, and I just want to show you the massive gum nuts on them. It is huge. Some definitely eucalyptus. It's got that smell, and my parents got this tree about 40 years ago from Western Australia, I think. Actually, might even be more, might be 45 years ago. It's older than that. Yeah, alright. See ya. See you next time.